Hey everybody, welcome to Jo's Kitchen Capers. Just thought I'd check in, still in phase 4 of the 4-phase fat elimination protocol. I think I'm up to introducing avocados in. I had a couple of days that I actually had a couple of apple days because I have had a bit of a flare up, but I'm able to have salmon, which is very exciting because I love salmon. I've tested sweet potato, which was great, and of course ghee, which I made the other day. So it's just great eating the skin off my chicken again, all that lovely fat off a good bit of steak, and I am loving life. So moving now on to avocado, which I'm going to have today for the first time, and I'm actually going to have it in my spirulina smoothie. So we'll see how that goes because it has actually given me a flare up before, and I'll just see if that's changed now that I'm in this round. So I will keep you posted on that. It's just so, I find this last round, actually once I stop those drops, I find that for some reason quite liberating, that I'm not worried about when and where I need to eat and how long I have to wait before I have a drink of water. So I actually find coming off the drops quite good. But moving into this phase of P4 forever, I'm excited this week to start back at the gym because I have really been missing that, and I've lost, you know, during this period of the last few years. I am going to post a couple of photos, and I've been looking back at past videos on my YouTube and thought, holy moly, that's quite a difference now of what I look like. But I will post some photos today. But what I want to work on, I've lost, I don't know about I don't know about other people, but I have lost 25 kilos, and I know there are people out there that have lost a lot more and are doing just an exceptional job with staying on the protocol. But I have a problem with loose skin. I'm not going to show it to you. That's getting a bit too personal, but I've got to try. I do have trouble with loose skin. When I had my 2 girls, I was left with like an apron, and I ended up having a surgery way back then and having that removed because I just couldn't handle it. So maybe that's just something lacking in my body. I certainly put gelatin and everything. I have bone broth, and I have been told by other people that it does take about 18 months for some of that sagginess to go, so fingers crossed. But now I am about to start focusing on the tone of my body. Always loved the gym and going and doing weights, and I think at my age, which I usually have to do the maths, but I did that yesterday, and I know I'm 55 this year, but I need to work on strength training, especially in building up my arms and things, because that's something that I've lost in the last few years and probably during my whole back injury. So strength is a big thing, but doing it sensibly, not pushing yourself too hard. So hopefully you'll see that and what I'm doing as part of my journey. I do find Qigong really good, which is a form of Tai Chi, which I do a 15-minute routine of that every morning, and it's certainly great for getting your body moving, and it's sort of like a moving meditation, I guess, which is a beautiful way to start your day. So if you're interested in Qigong, Google that, and there is so many YouTube videos that you could do. But I will keep you posted. I think I start back on Monday at the gym. I have had my membership on hold, but I will just be starting it gently, probably a couple of days a week, and I might add in some Pilates or some yoga and just see how that goes. I have had a bit of a back episode lately, and that might be the only thing that... So the last And the last few weeks I have had another back episode that I have had to take medication, so I know moving into some other form of exercise, I have to do it very gently because I don't want to have to, I'm not prepared. You know, one thing I have learned is I do tend to push myself too hard, so I've been doing all through the protocol. I still do a 45-minute walk every day, and I roll on my foam roller, and I do my Qijon every day. So that's something that I've kept up all through the protocol, but I'm really excited to get back into doing some sort of strength training. Obviously, it's going to have to be something that doesn't put any pressure on my lower back, because I do not need any more flare-ups of that, and I'll just keep you posted. I hope you're all traveling along really well. I know a few of you that I've spoken to recently have, you know, had a few slip-ups. I've had a few slip-ups. It's just something you need to brush off and think, okay, I did that, today's going to be a better day, and just have a think about if you did eat something that you shouldn't have. Why did you do it? Was it boredom? Were you frustrated? Was it a comfort thing? You know, we have all these triggers still that we've done for many years, and sometimes these habits are quite hard to break. So don't beat yourself up. Just try and learn from it and move on and have a better day for the rest of the day and a better day the next day. I hope you're all doing really well. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.